G'day everyone, this is part 1 of my VSS Pack U build. Before we get working on it, here's some clips of me picking it up and what I've done to it so far. Not good. It was even worse at first. I washed it out with some just dirty but cleaner than what was in this oil. But alright, as you was seen, the auto fluid is the colour of coffee. Before we finish pulling out the auto, this will be the transmission going into the car. This is out of this VS turbo. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's get to working on this shit box. There's only one more line I've got to get off this and then it's good to drop out, but that auto line, I've spent so long trying to get it. I've tried heating it up. Tried everything, but it's like, I'll get a torch up there. Oh, torch went off. So, where are we looking? Yeah, up there, if you can see. Tried everything, but it's either going to be cut it and just drop this transmission out or what the plan is, but yeah, I'll see you in a second. Alrighty, quick update. So I do not have the auto out just yet, the line is still on there. Got that wheel there because the spare's on at the moment because this tyre is buggered, but got another one there. It's got chop springs in it at the moment, so I got stock springs to put on for 80. Got all those bushings and stuff, you know, and yeah, but it's not looking too good for the freaking auto line. It is on there good, but look, I got this one off easy, just had to heat it up, but this one above it is an absolute pain in the ass to get off. Alright, I'll see you when the friggin' transmission is hopefully out. Alrighty guys, I managed to get this auto line off. So what I've done was I squeezed like this here with the vice grip, and then I like just cracked it open and it finally friggin' loosened. But yeah, I've dropped out the transmission now. Yeah, look at the colour of that oil. That is not good. It was even worse at first. I washed it out with some just dirty but cleaner than what was in this oil, but hoping it would have a gear, but yeah, it had nothing. It's just buggered. So yeah, finally was able to get it out, which is good. Got the new 4L60E ready to go in. Just got mounted a few things on the transmission, like these two things that go onto the back, and then just jack it up and connect all the lines, hoses and stuff up, and then put that on and we're good to go. Alrighty, it's time to get this old crappy tyre off and get the new tyre on and see if it holds air. Right. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. In the next one, we'll be getting this wheel on there now that it holds air and we fixed the tyre. So yeah, the Ute now drives, the transmission runs mint. I had to fix up I forget whatever this thing's called because it was leaking coolant. If you can see. Where is it? Yeah, there's coolant back in there. It's spilled, but yeah, next episode I'll be doing the wheel and give it a nice clean because it's a bit dirty at the moment. I haven't given it a clean yet. But yeah, see you in the next one. Cheers for watching.